Hi there! Today we're making a beautiful digestive tea. Hi, this is Perla with Serra Sol, and today we are making a gorgeous digestive elixir with rose petals, fennel seed, cinnamon, and cardamom. This is a beautiful tea that has so many digestive properties. Fennel seeds are wonderful for any digestive discomfort like bloating, tummy aches, or heartburn. So we're going to add these to our jar. We're also going to add cinnamon, which is really warming and stimulates digestive ease. Rose petals, which are just so lovely and comforting. And cardamom, which also helps with bloating. Just the beauty of this tea, I feel, is healing. It's just such a beautiful tea to look at with the colors of the cardamom and the rose and the fennel. And it smells so good already, and I haven't even brewed it yet. So what I'm going to do is take this mixture that I have in this jar, and I'm going to pour some freshly boiled water over it. I'm going to let this steep for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to transfer it to this other jar, and I'm going to sip it throughout the day. It's going to be a beautiful and calming, soothing tea that you could enjoy before a meal or after.